Hello everyone, this is the second lecture. In this lecture, I am going to talk about features of C language. Okay, if you look at here, there are different features are there. One is syntax based portability, simple, powerful, platform dependent, modularity. There are different features are there. In this picture, we will discuss around 4 to 5 points. That is, what exactly mean by portable, what exactly mean by platform dependent, what exactly mean by middle level, what exactly mean by case sensitive. All those things we will discuss one by one. First one, we will discuss middle level. Why C is called as middle level language? Because some people used to say C is high level language, some people used to say C is a low level language, but correct answer is C is a middle level language. Because C has simplicity of high level language and power of low level language. Means you can develop application program as well as system program using C language. That's why we used to say C is a middle level language. This is the first point. Now we will discuss case sensitive. C is a case sensitive language. Means we are human being. If I will write a small a and capital A, we used to think both are equal. If I will write a break, small letter break and capital letter break, we used to think both are equal in case of the human being. But in case of the programming language, both are different. Both are not equal. That is called as case sensitive. Now we need to discuss what exactly mean by platform dependent, what exactly mean by portable. Okay, before understanding what exactly mean by portable, platform dependent, we need to understand what exactly mean by source code and executable file. See guys, when I will write a code, this code is called as a dot. When I will write a code that is .c, it is called as a source code. When I will compile that code, compiler will generate one more file that is .exe. It is called as a executable file, executable code. Before compilation, whatever we have written the code, that is called as source code. After compilation, compiler will generate one more file that is called as the executable code. Please understand the difference between source code and executable file. This is also called as application file. If you want to do edit in code, then you need to go for source code. You can't change anything in executable file because it is a binary code. Okay, this is the difference between source code and executable code. Okay. Now we will discuss what exactly mean by portable. Suppose I have written this source code .c, that is a source code. Suppose I have written this source code in Windows operating system. I can use the same source code in Linux operating system also, as well as in Mac operating system also. If I have written the source code in Windows operating system, I can use same source code in Linux operating system as well as Mac operating system also. Sometimes you need to do little modification. If I have written source code, in Linux operating system .c, I can able to use this same source code in Windows also as well as in Mac operating system also. This is called as a portable. C is a portable language. Now we need to discuss what exactly mean by platform dependent. Okay, see here. Suppose suppose this is executable file. This executable file generated in Windows operating system. Suppose this executable file generated in Windows operating system. This executable file I can execute only and only in Windows operating system. I cannot execute in Linux operating system. It is not possible. I cannot execute in Mac operating system. Not possible. If I have generated executable file in Windows environment, I must and should execute this code in only and only Windows environment. I can't able to execute in Linux environment as well as Mac operating system. That is called as a platform dependent. Suppose if I have generated executable file in Linux environment, then I need to execute this file in only and only Linux operating system. I can't able to execute in Windows operating system as well as Mac operating system. Suppose if I have developed executable file in Linux operating system, means I need to execute that executable file in only and only Linux operating system. I can't able to execute in other operating system. That is called as a platform dependent. I hope you understood what exactly my platform dependent. Now we need to discuss modularity. Okay, modularity is very simple, guys. I have written this large number of code. In that code, suppose I have written the logic of addition, multiplication, subtraction. To understand this large number of code, it's quite difficult. So modularity means instead of writing the large number of code, we can divide that code in separate part. That's why it could be easy for understanding, and it will be easy for error checking also and reading also. So what I did instead of writing this large number of code, what I have divided addition function separate, multiplication function separate, division function separate, so that it could be easy for understanding. And if I will get any error, I can easily find where the exact error is available, as well as the readability of program will increase. That is called as modularity. This is all about today's lecture. In next lecture, I will start the structure of C program, then header file, the compiler, all those things we will discuss one by one. Okay, thank you, all the best.